Ripple XRP is flashing major warning signs, and I believe a crash is coming soon. If you are holding XRP, you need to see this before it's too late. In this video, I'll break down the critical signals that most traders are ignoring and what this could mean for XRP's short-term future. Let's get straight into it. The truth is that I am bearish on XRP, at least in the short term. This is the chart. We are looking at XRP over USDT 2-hour chart on Binance. As you see here, we have this ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. Look at this. We had a bounce here, another bounce, this huge fake out, but the price action bounced back above the yellow trend line. A few more bounces here, bounce after bounce. That's over 3 touches. So this was a very valid support trend line. But as you see here, today the price action broke below this, and that's a bearish sign, guys. Look at this. This yellow trend line is basically the neckline of a head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish pattern. It has a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the downside. Look at this. This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and that's the head. Beautiful bearish pattern. So the price action broke below the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. And if we zoom out on the daily chart, we see that we had a daily candle, this one right here, that closed below the neckline, which is another bearish sign. As you see, the price action bounced on this key level of support that's located at $2.28. We are currently testing this. The buyers, the bulls, stepped in and they pushed the price action a little bit higher above this key support. That's why it's holding at the moment. But even if the price action moves higher in the coming hours and we see a push all the way up here, right on the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, this can easily be a bearish retest, guys, with a continuation move to the downside. Earlier today, right before the price action breaks below the neckline, I opened a short position. I entered all the way up here trying to front run the breakout, and it played out perfectly, guys. Look at this. I took this screenshot. That's an 81.29% move on a 20x leverage. And at its peak, it was actually higher than 81% profits. It was all the way up to 120% when I took profits. If you want to find these setups, guys, you can join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's a no-brainer. We have been killing it in the group. And even though I took profits, guys, I really think that XRP is not done yet. I am expecting to see further downside out of XRP, especially if this key level of support at $2.28 doesn't hold. If we see a break below this, you might want to consider shorting the breakdown. The next target that we have here on the chart is located all the way down here at $1.94. So you might want to consider entering a short position on the breakdown below this key support level and taking some profits around this area. If the price action retraces even more below this key level of support at $1.94, the next key level of support is all the way down here at $1.60. We can find the measured move for this head and shoulders pattern if we take the distance from the highest point of the head to the neckline and move that distance to the breakout point. Look at this, guys. This is a huge move. The measured move is all the way down here at $1.22. Of course, we might not see XRP all the way down here. Buyers might step in and push the price action higher before we get to this level, but you never know. Nevertheless, this is the measured move for this huge head and shoulders pattern. Bearish pattern ready to go. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what do you think about XRP? Are you bearish or bullish in the short term? Do you think that this head and shoulders pattern is going to play out or no? That's all I had for you today. Please do me a solid and subscribe and click the like button because it helps with the algorithm. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.